Alright, it's Faces Tech. I've just finished fixing my old Game Boy. I had a couple of lines, I can't really show you now because I've actually fixed it, but it had a couple of lines on the edge that had gone, pixels that had gone. Seen a video online where you could use a soldering iron. I'll show you, there's a video, I'll show you after this one of me actually fixing it with a soldering iron, just rubbing it along the edge. So you can see rubbing it with the soldering iron. See the lines coming back, but also worryingly going in this other direction. Looking slightly better. Keep chasing the line when you keep going with the soldering iron. Oh, come on. Could that be it? I don't know how far it's supposed to go this way, because there's so many gone. Looks like, I think I might have done it. Don't want to keep fiddling with it, but there you go, kids. Yeah. What it looks like when I'll turn the contrast right down, up. You can see it's come right to the edge now. Let's turn it back on. The old Game Boy camera, classic. But yeah, it took me 5 minutes, and it's definitely worth doing if you want to do it. What you need is the tri-ring screwdriver. But you can get them online for like 99p. It's not a problem. Anyway, thanks for watching.